Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about 8086 assembler directives. An assembler directive supports directives the data, means as its name directive, it is supposed to give the direction to the assembler that what to do. Like it is required to define data, to organize segments, to control procedure, or to define the macros. There are two types of statements that are used in the programming of microprocessor, and these statements are either instructions or directives. Directive means assembler directives, either instruction or directive. The instructions are translated to the machine code by the assembler, whereas the directives are not translated to the machine code. Now, here we will discuss few of the assembler directives that are in the 8086 microprocessor. First is assume. Assume is used to tell the assembler the name of the logical segment it should use for a specified segment. For example, assume code. This statement tells the assembler that the instructions for the program are in the segment named code. Here, if we write assume XYZ, then it will be taken as the assembler assumes that XYZ segment has the instructions. Next, define byte. Define byte is used to declare a byte type variable. Example, prices DB 49H, 98H, 29H. Here H stands for hexadecimal, DB stands for defined byte, and prices is the name or the tag. It means here an array is declared having three variables. These variables are of byte type. It declares 3 bytes named prices and initializes 3 bytes as shown. Next is define double word. It is used to declare a variable of type double word or to reserve a memory location which can be accessed as double word. Either to define or to reserve the memory, we can use this DD assembler directive. Next is DQ. DQ is define quad word. Quad means 4. It is used to tell the assembler to declare the variables as 4 words of storage in the memory. Similarly, here double word, here 4 word. Next is 10 bytes. If 10 bytes needs to be located in the memory, then this DT define 10 bytes directive will be used. Next, define word. Used to tell the assembler to define a variable type as a word or reserve a word in a memory. For one word, DW is there. For double word, DD is there. For 4 words, DQ is there. For 10 bytes, DT is there. For 1 byte, DB is there. So these are the directives. Next, end. Next directive is end. End can be used in two different manners. It is used to specify the end of the program. If we use end P, then it shows the end of a procedure. If we use end S, then it is used to show the end of a segment where the program terminates. So the assembler stops fetching the instructions. After this directive, assembler stops the fetching of instructions. Next instructions. Next is equate. EQU stands for equate. It is used to give name to some value or symbol. Next is group. It is group related segment. It is used to tell the assembler to group the logical segments named after the directive into one logical segment. This allows the content of all the segments to be accessed from the same group. Next is label. It is used to give the name to the current value in the location counter. The label directive must be followed by a term which specifies the type you want associated with that name. Label is a tag. Label is a tag. That means if we say label colon this, it means there is a term, there is a name which is specified, and this label directive must be followed by a term which specifies the type you want to associate with that name, which kind of label it is. Next is offset. Offset is the displacement address within the segment within the block. So offset directive is used to tell the assembler to determine the offset or displacement of named data item. Named data item means the mentioned data item. If we mentioned here X or Z, any data item is mentioned. So the displacement of that particular item from the start of the segment. Means if this is a segment and X is located here in this particular segment, then offset directive is used to locate this. Okay, let there is a address 2000, starting address is 2000 and X is located over here. So offset directive is used which address on X lies. This is the meaning of this assembler directive. Next is originate. ORG, originate. It tells the assembler to set the location counter value. For example, ORG 7000H. H is for hexadecimal. 7000 is the location and ORG is a directive. So it sets a location counter value to point to 7000H location in the memory. Proc stands for procedure, used to identify the start of a procedure, from where this procedure is started. Public, it is used to tell the assembler that the specified label or variable is accessible by other modules. This is useful in large programs which are generally written in modules. Next, segment. It is used to indicate that the start of a logical segment preceding the segment directive is the name you want to give to the segment. Second last, used name, used to give a specific name to a module when a program consisting of several modules. Means if our program is having multiple modules, then how to identify different modules? So there is a directive as a name, so we can give name to multiple modules. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So in this manner we can name them to easily identify them separately. The last is include. Include means this directive is used to include some source code from file. It is used to tell the assembler to insert a block of source code from the named file into the current source module. This shortens the source code. For example, if we have already written a code earlier and that code is also used in our current program, so by using this include directive, we can call that program directly into our current program. It is similarly as a preprocessor directive we use in C or C++. In that we can use #include. So this is that directive only that includes the pre-written program into the current program. If we use include, then this shortens the source code because this code needs not to rewrite here. Just by writing this directive include, we can inculcate this particular earlier program into our current program. So these are the assembler directives of 8086 which we have discussed. I have prepared this using the book Advanced Microprocessors and Peripherals 3rd edition written by Mr. A.K. Ray and K.M. Bushundi. Thank you everyone.